If you're struggling with the Praxis Elementary Education Mathematics 5003 exam, proportional relationships and percents, this video is going to change everything for you. You'll see multiple choice questions that ask you to convert percents to decimals, divide to find rates, or set up and solve proportions. Each question will appear with a timer. Try to solve it before time runs out, then stay for all the correct answers and explanations. Let's dive in.
Praxis Time Challenge!
Question 1.
What is 25% of 80? A, 15, B, 20, C, 25, or D, 18?
Question 2.
A car travels 300 miles in 5 hours. What is the car's speed in miles per hour? A, 50 miles per hour, B, 60 miles per hour, C, 70 miles per hour, or D, 75 miles per hour.
Question 3.
What percentage of 40 is 10? A, 20%, B, 10%, C, 30%, or D, 25%.
Question 4.
A recipe calls for 3 cups of flour to make 12 cookies. How many cups of flour are needed to make 48 cookies? A. 8 cups. B. 10 cups. C. 12 cups. Or D. 14 cups.
Praxis Town Challenge.
Question 1.
What is 25% of 80? To find 25% of 80, multiply 80 by the decimal equivalent of 25%. 80 times 0.25 equals 20. The correct answer is B, 20.
Question 2.
A car travels 300 miles in 5 hours. What is the car's speed in miles per hour? To calculate the unit rate, divide the total miles traveled by the total hours. 300 miles traveled in 5 hours equals 60. The correct answer is B, 60 miles per hour.
Question 3.
What percentage of 40 is 10? To find what percentage of 40 is 10, divide 10 by 40. 10 divided by 40 equals 0.25, and multiply that by 100. 0.25 times 100 equals 25. The correct answer is D, 25%.
Question 4.
A recipe calls for 3 cups of flour to make 12 cookies. How many cups of flour are needed to make 48 cookies? Set up a proportion using the relationship between flour and cookies. 3 over 12 equals x over 48. Use cross multiplication. 3 times 48 equals 12. X, 144 equals 12. X, divide both sides by 12. X equals 12. The correct answer is C, 12 cups. How did you do? Remember, the goal isn't just to memorize formulas, it's to recognize relationships, set up problems correctly, and choose efficient strategies under time pressure. For more practice, check out our Praxis Elementary Education Mathematics 5003 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our Praxis Elementary Education Mathematics 5003 test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, including hundreds of authentic, timed practice questions, just like the ones we reviewed. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.
Praxis Time Challenge.